Okay, have it. Okay, I don't know whether they will like the food. Well, I think they are not going to like this milk rice. I'm giving them milk rice actually. Um, that side there are two puppies, two more. No, they're not going to like this. Oh, this one is eating. This one is very hungry, I guess, and that's why he's eating that. I don't know where is one more puppy. There has to be three puppies actually over here. Oh, thank God. At least one is eating. That's the mama doggy. She didn't eat. And this one also, I think this is the father. This is the dad. And this puppy is eating somehow. Well, I think after, if I leave, then they will eat, most probably. Where is one more puppy? I don't know. If they would have chicken, definitely they would have it with full of enthusiasm. All right, I'm heading towards Ethan's family, so let's be with me. Hey, hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good morning. Where others? I don't know. How are you doing? What is Ethan sibling? Actually, there has to be one small dog. I think they're that side. When are they? I don't know where are they. But they should have been over here. Okay, let me check. I think they are that side. And I'm not sure whether they will eat milk rice. Oh, one of the puppies is actually barking at, screaming literally. They're that side. Well, I'll try to place over here and okay, they're getting some kind of, they're getting some food from there. Yeah. Hey, don't fight. They fight each other. Oh, those three puppies at that side. I don't know where are they from. Come on, come this side, everyone. Oh, this one belongs to me. Okay, come here, everyone. I'm placing this milk rice together. Let's see whether they. Oh, this is Taylor's family. Oh, look at him. They're very happy. Okay, eat, no problem. Hey, don't fight. Oh, that's Ethan's brother actually. Hey, don't fight each other. Just finish the food. He's hungry and he's eating milk rice. Hey. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. Move on. Okay, most of them are not eating. I don't know why. Hey, don't fight with them. This one is trying to eat. Okay, let's move that side. Otherwise, if I don't take them that side, they'll be fighting over here. Bye. Look at them. They are very much excited. Actually, they were that side I brought them this side. Don't fight each other. One of them, actually Trailer, that is Trailer. Trailer was interested in having milk rice, but rest of them are not interested. Let's see, again I will place one over here because I have placed one that side. What you want? This one, actually he doesn't eat anything, this adult dog. And look at them. There is nothing over here, just rice. Okay, I'll place one more. Actually I have placed one more, that's that side, but they didn't eat. I don't know whether they will be liking this one or not. Have it. Oh, they're eating, thank God. Okay, that side, when I gave, they were not eating because they were scared actually, because that side there were some of the dogs too, and maybe because of that they didn't eat. They're not eating, literally they are going that side. Eat. Why did you stop? Finish it. Oh, they're fighting. My goodness, look at them. Why fighting? They're going that side. Okay, I'm stopping now and I'll be going some finish it, okay? Hey, don't fight. This one is so aggressive. Hey, they're fighting. What's wrong with you? And you know, they're going so fast. They are going just very faster. Don't fight. Hey, why fighting? What's wrong with you, honey? You want some belly rubbing? Let's. Okay. Finish the food. Finish. Oh, he got some problem in his leg. Actually, this adult dog. Not to eat? Yeah. Okay, I'll be leaving now towards Tina's family, and there's to be some of the dogs over here, there. Okay, bye bye. You want to have some rice? Do you? If you eat, then I will give. Otherwise, I'll not give. I don't like wasting food, right? Okay, let me try. If they eat, I can keep over here, and if they don't eat, I will not keep over here. Okay, come. Have it. Don't be scared, just have it. Hey, no. In the back there is nothing. Hey! Oh. I knew they will be wasting the rice. Now this puppy is eating. Actually, they are hungry. There's one more puppy over there. Actually, right now, like some people, they have cleaned the road, and if I, keep the food like that, and if I just unclean the road like this, people will be angry. Hey, if you eat, then I'll leave this food over there. I think they will not eat, just they're pretending. Finish. They are actually looking for chicken in the bag, but there is nothing. There is no chicken. Okay, I will just I'll take the rice back because they're not eating. I should not waste the rice. No, that would be wasting actually if they don't eat means, and I don't like this wasting of rice. If I give to Tina's family, they will eat that, right? I'm moving. Bye bye bye. They're not even eating. Okay, bye. Well, Paul is here actually. Hey, Mary. Oh my God, look at the puppy also over there. Mary, why do you bring them outside? I think this puppy was whole night over here. Oh, not only him. One more is there. Why? Why they're outside? I don't understand. Hello everyone. Okay, rest of them are inside. Hi, Simba. Simba's there. Come on, come honey. So, Tina, look at the puppies. Mary, you shouldn't bring them outside over here, right? They're still so tiny. They're so small to be over here, right? They're not big enough. And Simba? Oh, Simba's there. This one is Simba. The front one. Simba, come on. And look at them, how they're sitting over here. This one is under the table. Hi, honey. Morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. He's trying to bite this still. So, Mary. And Tina. Come, Simba. Simba is. Look at him. Though he's just cleaning the bodies or scratching the body. He got inside. Who's there? I think Tom is coming. Tom is actually making noise like that. So you people are good, right? I think everything is good with you. Tina? Tina? Oh, he's playing with Mama. Oh my God, look at him. Mary. Oh. He's playing with the tail. And this one, he's sleeping over here. What happened? Are you sad, honey? Okay, let me give them food first. Then I'll spend some good time with them. So, Suri, Anis, everyone do come over here. And it's today milk and rice. I hope you love it. Okay, Mary's eating. Tina, Tom, come on. Actually, Paulo's still night, 9-10 p.m. Paulo's there in my home, near my home. And I don't know when he came back. Maybe at night only he came back. Mary, don't fight. Mary, I have given over there for you. This plate is not yours. You should eat rather from your plates, right? And they're exchanging. Oh, look at the puppy, the way he's lying down. Oh, that's so cute. That's so good, honey.
Oh my goodness. Should I give you some belly rubbing? Oh, he likes belly rubbing. Oh my goodness. He's liking belly rubbing. All of them actually likes belly rubbing. They are very much fond of belly rubbing. It doesn't matter their size, it doesn't matter their age, it doesn't matter who are they, but they love belly rubbing, you know. Especially Simba is the one who likes belly rubbing the most, you know. Hey, did you finish the rice? Tina! Tina is eating water from there. Tina, I will give water, honey. Wait. First finish the rice. And where is Tom? Tom! Come, honey! Tom! Oh, she's screaming but not coming. Come, it's okay, okay. I'm here. Tom! Oh, Simba is playing. Look. Tom, come on. Come down, come down. Come. Come, honey, it's okay. Come. Come. I'll give you rice here. No one is gonna fight with you. Come on. I'm here, right? Hey, both of you move. Eat your rice. Ah, that one is trying to eat rice or what? Oh no, playing with the papers. Hey, he's eating rice literally. Oh my goodness. The puppies are eating rice. Oh my goodness. Tom! Tom, come on, honey. Tom! Hey, what's wrong? Ah, he's trying to eat the rice too. Like mother, like son. Look at them. Hey. Okay, so. Hey. Hey. Okay, literally there's a person who's collecting garbage and hey. And all of them started chasing and barking. Okay, let them stop first. Hey. Hey. What's wrong with you people? Hey.